Hi friends, today we are going to practice a Python program to calculate the area of the rectangle. Okay, initially we need to take, as you all know, area of the rectangle is length into width. For that we are taking length. L is equal to input of, enter the length of rectangle. Okay, if the length is in decimals, we need to take float. After that, width is equal to float of input of, enter the width of rectangle. Okay, next area is equal to length into width. Okay, next we need to print the area. Area of rectangle is after that we need to evaluate with the help of shift enter. I am giving the length value as 7 and width value as 3. Then area of rectangle is 21. 7 into 3. Thank you friends. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.